Hello, I'm Professor Evans, and I'll be your instructor for stats this semester. To get to your course on Blackboard, go to your Blackboard site and click in, and it'll dump into your weekly assignments. Some useful information under the Start Here tab will be some of my bio and best ways to contact me, as well as link to the syllabus. When you upload this or download the syllabus, you can see the outline, as well as what places to contact me, as well as my office hours for that semester. Your grade, the way it's going to be calculated, will also be located in this section, what's getting graded. And an overall course outline will be at the end, as well as the sections we're going to be covering and which weeks we're going to be covering them. So that would be a good guide to keep you on pace. We also have weekly assignments. So when you click on the weekly assignments, it's broken down the semester, whether the semester is 5 week, 7 week, 10 week, 15 week, whatever it may be. Divided in. You can see week 1, this is what, in this particular section, this is what we're supposed to be covering. If you click on the week 1 folder, it'll take you to an introduction for a video on how to get started with the online homework for this course. The online homework, all you have to do to initiate the online homework is click on one of the homework assignments for the first time, and it'll take you to registration, where you'll need to register for the course and pay a small fee to get associated with that. All of our homework will be online. We also have a book, though, and a book is free. It's an open resource book. Here you have chapter broken down by chapters. Chapter 1, for instance, and then further down you can see chapter 2. If you need to get to the entire book, though, itself, that's also located on the hot links here under OpenStax. So OpenStax content, you can go down. There's the PDF version of the book, but you can also go into chapters, and it's an online book as well. So you can get to the specific sections by just clicking on and going straight to the section that way. So you can either use the link in the weekly assignments, or you can read the PDF. And essentially, the goal is that you read the chapter. For instance, in this particular section, these are the sections that are covering this week. The expectation is, like when we get to 2.11, that you read it in the book first, read this, and then you attempt the homework that is associated with that section, and that will be graded, and that's where you're going to record your grade. Our Guru is free, and that's linked in. That one will teach you or show you on the online homework how to link to that and how to use that for our stats, so you won't need a calculator going forward with that. In terms of overall assignments, if we go back to the syllabus, the biggest thing to know is in terms of grading wise, you can see your homework is right here worth 12% of your overall grade. We have 4 chapters. We have 4 tests. Test number 1 covers chapter 1 and 2. It's 22%, and test number 2 covers those chapters, 22%. Chapter 3 is also 22%. Chapter 4 is 22%. These last 2 sections, test 3 and test 4, must be taken in the FCC testing center. If you're away at another school or distance away, that's fine. We can arrange to be taken at a testing center near you, whether at a University of Alabama, you can take it there. Their testing center, you just got prearranged and set that up. But these last 2 exams, test number 3 and test number 4, no matter where you are, no matter if you're online or wherever you may be, those tests must be taken in person. They must be taken in person. So we'll talk more as we go along that for the course, as we progress through the course. But other than that, that's what I wanted to get to. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll be sending out weekly announcements and just updating on reminding you of what's supposed to be covered, and as well as things to look ahead for in terms of the upcoming assignments as well. If you need office hours, I have in-person office hours, but if you click this tab right here, I also have Zoom office hours. This would be where the section is for that semester, where I'm going to have my in-person office hours as well as online office hours. If you're attempting the online office hours via Zoom, you can click the link there at the appropriate time that's designated, and we can meet then. So hope everything goes well, and I look forward to working with you guys this semester. I know there's going to be plenty of questions, but let's go ahead and get started, and then email me or come visit in the office hour, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thanks.